Okay, hello, this is Saul. It is February 19th, 2026. I know it's been a little while since I rapped at you. Um, I have been doing stuff for the podcast and I had a bunch of appointments, But we are back, at least for today and possibly tomorrow. And I think I'm just gonna get myself caught up here, see where we're at with all this stuff. So I have, let's see here, what did I have? I've got this LM analysis branch, which is interesting because I think that this is all self-contained in one file, which is interesting. I kind of want to, well, I don't know, did I actually push this up here? I think we're going to wind up doing a lot of cleanup kind of tasks, looking through some of the PRs here. It's going to be kind of boring work, to be honest, as we try to just clean up. Like I said, 19 pull requests. I've been knocking down the issues that have come up as I'm using Claude a lot for this stuff, and Claude is kind of knocking it out of the park. It's not perfect, but man, it's faster and better than I would do. So, I mean, I'm working on with it. So, that's the current state of the world. And yeah, let's look through a couple of PRs here, some of the most recent ones, and get them merged in. Actually, while I'm doing it, I'm going to check out the develop branch and pull a lot of changes here that I've been making. So yeah, let's see here. Let's just bang through some PRs. Look and see what has been submitted here. So MIDI Chef. Oh right, making the wraparound tabs thing. I'm actually curious. Does it actually work like that? So if I edit the header and then tab, it certainly does. That's great. And then it goes to the second row. So actually the second row is kind of weird in general, and then yeah, it wraps around. Okay, so this is fine. Honestly, it probably shouldn't stay in the header anyway, but how much code is this? Okay, I can kind of accept that here. Go rightmost. Okay, sure. Let's just take this one. It's not that big of a deal. And it is better in general. So let's merge that. Little detail. Rebase and merge. Yep. And actually, one thing that we, again, should probably be looking at here is fixing the tests. Because they keep, every time I push something, I get a failed test message, both on VDSQL and on, I think it's just on visidata itself. Okay, check that out now. And Yep. So yeah, okay, I haven't got my notice yet. Fixed display of markup in forms along with input multiple. Let's see here. Oh boy. This is another fun one here. Yeah, let's see here. An audit of disk width and clip draw. Typed strings, form data, space guard sheet, then Q. Oh, okay. That's interesting. This MIDI Chef is certainly finding some edge cases. Like, I don't know whose file is named that, but it's not none of my files. Huh. Yep. So do we have to escape things? How does this work? Let's see, what are the bugs here? Literal equals true. Okay, so this is the fixes are easy. Just literal equals true in places, but why? And this one here is in clip draw chunks. The chunks are always literal because the chunks have attributes. Exactly. That makes total sense. That's the base attribute, and then the chunk has a color in it. Okay. Yep. Clipbox. Is Clipbox not there anymore? Where Clipbox moved? Maybe Clipbox wasn't used anywhere? Forms. We don't use forms. We probably should use them more. Let's find out. Doop, doop, doo. Literal text that cannot, wait, why wouldn't I think that the prompt should be able to contain markup. Okay. I think that's fine. I think it's fine. Let's, the only one I'm not sure about is the prompt for the confirm box. Let's talk about that. Let's go back to the conversation. Okay, and what's that commit versus that commit here? Sure, that one makes total sense to me. And that makes sense to me. Okay, great. So look at that one. Oh, wait a second. Width would be calculated incorrectly when drawing strings that contained markup. Okay. But click draw chunks. Oh, I see, because literal. I see. It has to be literal equals true for this. It's always literal for these. Okay. That makes sense to me, I think. So yeah, I think this all makes sense. All about is displaying the confirm prompt as a literal. Does this come from I think apply some markup to the prompt, but also okay, let's rebase and merge. Comment. Confirm rebase and merge. Done. Let's boom, boom, nope, boom, boom. Okay, we're going to let this agents sit for the moment. Oh, man. Okay, I have, well, I'll skip that for the moment. Let's get MIDI Chef stuff in there for now. Allow command logs to avoid hard coding specific data file names. Oh, yeah, this makes total sense. Okay, let's see how this is. Is it only for... Start commands on first data sheet. Okay. It's counter to my concept of... Okay, well, I think that this is good. Okay, and then rebase and merge. Ooh, yep. Let's look at this. I think this is going to fix one of our build problems. Boop, 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 boop. Oh. Okay, that seems fine. Our name. Okay. Sure. Let's do it. Okay. So that's the Python packages sheet. Let's do it. Approve. And merge. Let's merge a bunch of crap. Sorry, this isn't crap. This is good stuff. Doop, doop, doop. Doop, doop, doop. Okay, so let's merge it. I approved and rebase and merge. Great. Okay. What we got? Add mail map to consolidate. Oh, I did that already. Okay, great. Add mail map to consolidate author identities. So I have never heard about the mail map thing. So let's see about this. There it is. Huh. Okay, well, good enough. So let's see this here. Okay. Fine, fine. I agree. Thanks for putting this together. I did not know about mail map. Doop, doop, doop. Making it better for the bots. That's what we're here for. Rebase and merge, definitely. Okay, merge, pull request. Pull request, go. Okay, so I've got an LLM thing there. This one for me. Okay, so, oh, here we go. And go column name. Yeah. Trade-off between coloring matches versus correctness for column names that contain pseudo markup like text. So we could do have insert a character. End of a literal text. Is there a Unicode literal? are there other ones. Next line. Oh. Okay, let's try this here. Let's find out. What are C1 controls? Oh. SOSI. Okay, so that's that. And then Let's go back to the PRs here. Did that one. I'm not sure about that one. These things are all a little older. We're going to have to review these again and take a little more time for that. But so I have other one here. That's my own. Well, let's see here. What does this say? So I have two here that I'm interested in. Okay, so this is one problem here is that this PR is not intended, catch bugs, flaws, and Okay, so I think I'm going to merge this experimental here. I think he was right about that, and he did the male map, male map. And so for now, we're just going to merge this. I can't approve it myself, but I can merge it. And let's rebase and merge and get it in. Okay, so let's do that. And then I have this other one here to vendor this from upstream. Now, no one mentioned this anything in here, but I would love to get this in. Oof, is this good enough? Okay. Close rather than merge since upstreams interface. Let's see here. This. $21.10. So I should merge this and then make sure that this actually works. Let me do that. Close that, merge this. Right. Okay, let's do it. Error. Oh, I think I had that below here. And this is in, oh, it's removing it, okay. And the error is up there, yeah, okay. So I think this is gonna be legit. Let's try it. Let's try merging it. And like I said, I will instantly pull it and try to look at a zip file and try to open a remote zip file. And I'll close this issue and let's find out how that works. So let's get out of here. Quit, okay. Pull all this stuff. And now we're going to look at sample data zip file. Good, good, yes. And then let's look at the encrypted one. Password is visidata. Oh, bless you. Okay, there we go. Now let's look at a remote file. Opening a file within a remote zip file. Let's see if this works. Open, I don't know, care about these. Let's look at, those are all bins. Okay, fine. Sort that. Let's look at that guy. Nice, nice. Okay, I think we're good. So I did the Let's close this one. Close PR. Yep. Close it. Close it. What else do I have in the unzip HTTP? I have another pull request. Oh, what's this? Oh, this is from that. Okay. Ah, then this is the one that I do want to merge. Because this is the one that, yeah, that makes sense to me. Yep. Okay, let's rebase and merge it. Sounds good. And then we'll go to the issues. Okay. We'll look at that and try to document it. And so actually I should make a note that unzip HTTP needs a little bit of love, but not as much as it did, which is great. And then I have this one here. Handle errors retrieving URLs. We're going to close this guy. Okay, let's just do it. We're going to close this one. Preceded by, what was that? PR. Not that one. Closed. Most recently closed. There we go. 2979. Okay, there we go. And so now we have only 11 PRs open. That's a better deal than it was before. So we're going to, okay, great. That one's fixed. Okay, oh, yeah, 11 PRs. Great. And then I'm just going to, let's see here. vdSQL, we have some, oh, that's right. Yeah, that's right. I think we're actually pretty close. I'm going to talk with Philip again tomorrow. Philip, by the way, who is at the top of, or now he's number 2 on Hacker News. Amazing, 355 points. That might be more points than I've ever gotten on Hacker News. Way to go, Philip. Anyway, I'll be talking with him tomorrow, and maybe we'll see about fixing some more vdSQL things. But I don't know, I kind of feel like we're going pretty good. Okay, well, oh, gosh, there's all kinds of fun links. This is why I don't go here too often. Huh. Yeah. Huh. That's cute. This isn't Sky Adams. No, it's somebody else, Harry McCracken. Huh. Yeah. I'll read about this later. But anyway, I think that in the absence of anybody being here and us having actually bounced out a lot of PRs today, I think we're going to continue work offline. So thanks everyone for being here, if you showed up and listened to it all. And otherwise, I will see you next time, which may even be tomorrow. Okay, cheers.